Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we will guide you through the steps for using the clock-in function in Poshier. As you may know, a clock-in system is typically used in workplaces to track employee attendance and work hours. Using this feature in Poshier is very straightforward. Alright, let's get started. Depending on your setup, you'll find the clock-in button in the POS section for retail stores or in the dine-in and takeaway section for restaurants. Click the clock-in button here. Next, to clock in a user, tap the account in the panel on the left and enter the password. The user will then appear in the panel on the right, indicating that they are now clocked in. To clock out, tap the user and enter the password again. Tap the clock-in button to exit the function. Finally, navigate to the Reports section and click on the Attendance Report to see the clock-in records of your staff. That's it. I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the steps to use the clock-in feature. See you in the next video. Goodbye.